Yeah, you know, it's interesting because I sit and think about what you're saying here, and I think the what you get versus the how you get it are two different things, and I think the how one gets it is from an integrity standpoint, from a long-term sustainable satisfaction standpoint is more important than the what, because there are many ways to just go out and get money. And some people are extremely skilled at amassing tons of it while simultaneously leaving lots of destruction, a lot of shrapnel in people's asses, lots of, reputation trade-offs, lots of, either never developed relationships or wrecked relationships. And it's real easy these days to just show pieces of that life and hide the dark parts too. I mean, when I sit and look at Facebook, I sit and look at some of my friends who's, that will do videos on culture, or they'll do videos on, anything that gives a piece of what life is like and how inaccurate a lot of it really is. I mean, I always say to people too, it's like, remember how people used to say the media is bullshit, but then we have this whole thing called social media? Does that mean like social media? And it's amazing. I was doing yoga today at my house with Trent Shelton, who's a former NFL player and has millions of people that follow him online, and he started FaceTiming like towards the end of us doing yoga, and I mean thousands of people. Last time I looked, it was like 54,000 people had watched the video. A couple hours after we'd done it, and I said to him, I go, how amazing that we can just broadcast this to so many people, and we could say cool things, and we can inspire people. That's that's neat, and at the same time, you can broadcast things that you say you do, things that you say you are, that have no bearing on reality. Yeah. And so it's not the tools, it's how the tools are used. It's debate with others about marketing. People like marketing is bad. These marketers, these advertisers, the marketing industry. And I'm like, I don't even think you could call marketing like an industry. It's like saying oxygen is an industry. I mean, it's just everywhere. Marketing is used not only to sell products and services, but it's, getting, dates. It's used for influencing everything. And so it's just one of those things that you do. Business and work is just one of those things. Okay, I hope you found that video awesome and useful. So if you want to get a free copy of my book, I want you to click here. And if you want to watch some more videos that'll be useful and awesome, click here. Go ahead. They're over here. Do it now. Come on. Thank you. Watch them.